the C going to the E minor is giving me a sense of that I'm going someplace. But I'm not moving out of my tonic family, so I'm not breaking any rules. I'm still staying within the rule that the first two bars are the tonic chord, right? I'm just borrowing another tonic family chord, right? So I've got, again, 3, 4, C chord, E minor chord. Now I move to my subdominant and my dominant, and finish on my C. Right, so instantly, that's just one small thing that we've done there that's created that movement. And you notice as soon as I go to that E minor that it creates this new color, right? So I've added color. Just and as we've seen, the C and the E minor chord are practically the same chord. The difference is E minor has a different bass note, so it feels like I'm moving, and it has one note that is not shared in the C chord. So that one note is giving me some extra color, taking my harmony a little broader.